to show you how to make pop-up Mother's Day card. This weekend is Mother's Day, so you might want to make a card for your mom. I made one earlier. This is something like this. It's tulip. You need construction papers. If you don't have any construction papers, you can use just copy papers, any papers you have at home. You need glue, scissors, some markers or paint if you have any paints, pencil. That's all you need. First, we want to make some flowers like this. So how you do is you have a sheet of paper, you fold it in half. Cut it in half. And fold this one in half so it's quarter. And one more time. Cut again. So it's a half, quarter, 1/8. So you need 1/8 of paper. Once you cut the paper into 1/8 of the sheet, you fold this in half. And then one more time like this. It's like half and half this way. Okay? And then we're gonna make flower here. So use this folded part and draw a line this way. The arch like this. Make sure it's this side is closed and this side is open. Draw on this side. And then on top, we make zigzag. So draw here and like a triangle. Okay? So now you cut this. This, open up, so you get two pieces like this. And you want to make two more like this. So I want to use another color, so I have pink. Same thing, fold it in half and another half. And this time you want to make sure it's the same size, so you just put this in the middle. And then you trace this. Trace with the pencil, trace here too, and trace here also. Like this. Make sure again it's this side, the curve should be open side. And you cut this again. You got two pink, any color you want. You can do any like yellow, red, orange, any color you want. You can do all the same colors, but this time I did two pink, two red. Now we're gonna put all these together. You might want to have a piece of newsprint or something underneath. So you're gonna glue this. First, you fold this and glue just on one side. Make sure you have glue everywhere. And I have a red, I'm gonna put pink next to it, like this. Make sure they match. Like this. So half pink, half red. This part we put the glue together. And now put red here again. Same thing, we put glue on one side. And put another piece here like this. Hold it for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now it's so now I got red, pink, red, so I want to put one more pink here. So again, you put glue here. Make sure you have glue everywhere. Now I put 4 all together. Like this. And now you pick one piece of paper. Fold this in half. This is gonna be a card. I'm gonna glue this on here. So you wanna glue the part that half red, half pink. You put glue on both sides. And now you wanna put this middle part on the middle, like this, around here on top, and then fold this. Make sure it sticks to each other. So when you open up, this is the flower. Okay, now I want to put leaves here. I have a green piece of paper. And you draw 2 leaves anywhere you want. Nice and big, it's tulip. You just cut it out. Two pieces. And place them where you want to have your leaves, like this. You can just put glue on the bottom of the leaves. Put just a little bit here. And place one. And put another one on the other side. And if you have a paint, you can paint the stem, or I have a marker here, so you can use marker to make a stem. You go. And now you can have message here, Happy Mother's Day, or I love you, Mom, dear Mom, any way you want. I did one earlier. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the project and made a nice card for your mom. Happy Mother's Day. I hope to see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you liked the project. See you soon. Bye.